Well, all DPS schools were open today after a massive teacher sick out yesterday shut down 88 of 97 schools in the districts. Well, the teachers say they want to bring attention to working conditions they say aren't fit for learning. And it seems to be working. Their fight has drawn the attention of national media, even presidential candidate Hillary Clinton. In fact, she tweeted this today, saying no one would tolerate these conditions in a wealthy suburb. Detroit students deserve better. Let's bring in Rod Maloney. He's getting new information in this ongoing saga tonight. Rod, some late-breaking developments for us tonight.
Yeah, it just happened in the last hour, Carmen. This is the lawsuit that DPS filed, a temporary restraining order request trying to prevent the teachers from having another sick out. And guess what? The judge turned them down. But she did say they need to go back to court on Monday, and Detroit says, or the school system is saying, they're very glad to get their chance to explain this in court. Spain Elementary closed 4 unexpected days this school year so far due to the teachers' sickouts, and yet parents gave some surprising answers when asked whether they were upset about teachers protesting instead of teaching their kids.
I'm not against it. I'm totally with it. They're not paying our teachers.
I feel it's very unfortunate for the children, but I feel also bad for the teachers in the schools.
We have to send toilet paper, paper towel, sanitizer. They don't send books home. It's pathetic.
This is the voluminous lawsuit DPS filed against former union chief Steve Kahn, current union president Ivy Bailey, and a number of protesting groups and more than a dozen teachers claiming breach of contract and demanding an end to the sickouts. The papers show the first sickout came December 1st, closing 1 school. The 2 largest came on January 11th with 64 schools closed, and yesterday shuttering 88 schools. DPS claims 31,000 of 46,000 students missed 1 day of school already. It also claims the sickouts are depriving DPS students of breakfasts and lunches, disrupting schedules of DPS student caretakers, causing DPS parents to miss work, and forcing DPS to make up for the loss of instructional time.
They're taking the sickouts because they're trying to get attention to the school, which, I mean, that's what they got to do.
So we've sat down and tried to figure out precisely how many classroom hours have been lost in all of this. And in talking to the DPS officials, they're saying that somewhere between 200 to 300,000 class hours have been lost in this. There's frustration certainly with them, and certainly there are many other parents who are upset that their kids are losing class instruction time, valuable class instruction time, because of the sickouts. Back to you.
But you hear parents that are supporting the teachers as well because they understand that the conditions aren't acceptable either.
That's right. In fact, here at Spain Elementary, which is renowned as one of the worst buildings in the district, they have the gym roped off because there's mold inside here. And in fact, we've done a full story on that. That's going to appear on clickondetroit.com in just about an hour's time. So we'll see you there.
And you wonder why they're reacting that way. All right, our Rod Maloney reporting for us live.